2011 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, keyless entry, navigation system, Harman Kardon sound system, traction control, backup camera, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, air conditioning, front. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.